Alright guys, good day wherever you are. In today's video, I'll be making this video for Web3 guys. To run testnet airdrops and other opportunities on Web3, you will need a browser that can help you access extensions for MetaMask wallet and other kinds of wallets. In this video today, I'll be using this kiwi browser. You have to get it from Play Store. Then after you install it from Play Store, you should have something like this in your home page. Something like this. After you have done the basic settings, for you to install extensions like these ones that I have here now. All these are wallet extensions. For you to install these kinds of extensions, you have to have a kiwi browser, this one that I'm opening down here, and after you download it, you click this three dotted icon, click it, click on extensions, then you click on this three dotted icon here. You can see this place is showing Open Chrome Web Store. Chrome Web Store is just like Play Store, but this one is used for downloading extensions of applications that you can find in Play Store. But this time it will be on this kiwi browser. You'll be able to use them. They are extensions. So you have to make use of kiwi browser. You cannot make use of Google Chrome app. They won't work there. So the web store is loading. So look at all these apps. These are apps you can find on the extensions. Now let me say you want to install MetaMask. You have to search MetaMask wallet. As you can see, it has come out from the dashboard. I've clicked on it. MetaMask wallet. MetaMask wallet. Don't know why it's always okay. Look at it. Look at it here. Got it. MetaMask. Now you click on it, tap on it, and you can see this port is showing remove from Chrome. This is because I already have it installed, like I showed you before. I already have it installed. Look at it here. So for you that don't have it, this part that is showing remove from Chrome will show add to Chrome. So that is how it works. And after you add it, you download it, then you drop your wallet address if you have any before. If you don't, you create a new wallet. It's that simple and easy. That is how to make use of it for running Web3 testnets. Thank you very much for this video, for watching. You can like and subscribe and make do with other videos in my channel. Thank you once more.